Hi, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you how to substitute honey for sugar in recipes. The things you will need are your sugar, a measuring cup, pinch of baking soda, and honey. Honey is much sweeter than sugar. It also adds a very unique flavor to any recipe. But because honey is so sweet, you will have to reduce the amount you use in your recipe. For instance, if the recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar, you will want to use 3/4 cup of honey. If the recipe calls for more than 3 cups of sugar, then you want to reduce the honey even more by using only 2/3 cup of honey for every cup of sugar in the recipe. Honey is also acidic, so you will need to add a pinch of baking soda to offset this. If you are baking, you will also need to lower the temperature by 20 to 30 degrees and watch very closely halfway through the baking time. And that is how to substitute honey for sugar in recipes.